Oh, nandito na kami sa loob, mga kalakbay. So this is, they have a manhole. So
It was a ammunition.
yeah. Somebody there? No, any rifle? Grenades? Manhole. So before they have electricity captain, huh? Because they have a wiring.
I think it's just later.
Ah, later? Ah,
Manhole.
Yeah.
how old is captain?
From the Second War.
Oh,
Yeah.
Second World War. Oh,
Kitchen.
oh yeah. It's it.
M4.
Info.
M4.
Huh? Import?
This upstairs.
I don't know.
Second floor.
What's this?
Yeah.
Oh,
Television.
kuha na, masinggan. Yan yung ikutin mo.
Ha?
Pag saan ang kalaban mo?
Oh, you think this is a gun?
Oh, ganyan. Iikot ni mo ba? So mga kalakbay, dito kami
Not so cold here.
Oh, one gun. Nothing here.
Ah. Nothing.
I think upstairs.
Yeah, it must be upstairs. I think.
Yeah.
But
What's this?
where's this is the way to upstairs, but this
No.
maybe locked.
Eh,
This is
door.
Huh?
Empty. I think there's other way.
I think also then. Must be.
Well.
We're almost in the court now.
Oh no. Oh, we are already outside.
This is a shooting hole.
Shooting what?
Yeah.
So we go outside already. Oh,
Right, right.
ano yan?
Pa! When you enter here, they will shoot you there.
Second floor.
Ah, here, they have a ladder.